What's up guys? So here's another video with regards to ITP. Okay? So pag-uusapan natin ngayon ano ba yung kaibahan ni ITP sa mga investment platforms na naglalabasan dyan, okay, sa crypto space. So before I do that guys, let me do my quantization first because I'm running out of time now. Okay, para hindi kayo malito, merong timer dun sa taas guys. Ayan, so yan yung time ni ITP before mag-reset. Okay? So make sure bago mag 24:00 yan, bago siya mag 00, kailangan nakapag-quantize ka na para hindi na sayang yung araw mo. Remember, we need to accomplish 5 clicks every day para sa 2.5% natin na earnings or profit daily. So ito yung account ko guys na nag-withdraw ako ng $500. Ayan. So, ang bilis, nag-accumulate na naman siya. And if you check out my asset right now, it's on $183 na ulit. Okay? So, that's because I'm compounding my earnings. And of course, I am trying to build my team as well. So, I am earning from your quantized earnings. Okay? For those of you who signed up. And bawat earnings natin, nako-compound yon. So, that's the power of compounding. Okay? Again, let me do my quantization first because I only have like 12 minutes left for today. So, hindi pa ako nakapag-quantize. So, kailangan ko muna itong gawin, guys. So, ganun lang kasimple, guys, dito kumita. Alright? Meron ka lang task. 5 tasks to click yung button na quantize. And kung mapapansin mo, nagra-run na siya, nagte-trade na siya. So this is about arbitrage trading. Okay, there's an AI na nagte-trade. So yung concept niya is yung robot, yung AI, bumibili siya ng certain crypto sa exchange na may mas mababang value or price, and then sinesell niya yon immediately doon sa exchange na may higher price. Okay? So, whatever difference from those amounts, yun yung earnings ng AI natin. So, guys, napakalaki ng kinikita ng traders. We all know that. Lalo na sa crypto. Okay? So, lalo na kung gumagamit pa ng AI. So, and again, si ITP, sa dami ng investors, yun nga, kayang-kaya ni ITP na kumita or i-double yung amounts ng total investments ng lahat ng kanilang investors in just a matter of minutes. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, napaka-profitable at hindi mag-overpay yung company na to. Sa laki ng investments ng mga investors, millions of investors yung nag-invest ng pera nila dito kay ITP, okay? Kayang-kaya nilang i-double yun in just a matter of minute. I know that because, remember, I'm the CEO of Fastcorp and our company is about forex trading. So, yung mga master trader ko doon, kaya nilang doblehin yung amounts ng isang currency given the fact na forex pa yon. Eh dito sa crypto, mas highly volatile, mas malaki yung pwedeng kitain. And sa forex trading, manual pa kami nagtitrade, dito AI na. So, I know na talagang malaki yung kinikita ng robots na to. So very sustainable, kayang-kaya niyang bayaran. So, alam natin na tayo ay kumikita lang ng 2.5% daily. Okay? Kung pag-uusapan natin yung kita ng buong ng AI, sobrang laki nung pwede niyang kitain. Okay? Very possible. Kaya naman, tayo as investors, wala naman tayong ginagawa, diba? So, nag-invest lang tayo, nag-click lang tayo ng quantize para bigyan tayo ng profit na 2.5%. But end of the day, that 2.5% is big enough for a daily passive income. Saan ka nakakita? Magkiklik ka lang, okay? And pwede ka nang kumita ng 2.5% ng investment mo. Right? So, sa ibang project, bibigyan ka lang ng less than 1% or maximum of 1.25% daily. Okay? So, yan yung unang difference ni ITP. So yung 2.5% is big enough, okay? But sabi nga nila, para din siyang high yield investment program. But in my opinion, and upon the research, based on my research, very sustainable at napaka-profitable ang source ni ITP. Kaya hindi siya mag-overpay. Kaya naman guys, napakatagal na nito, okay, na nag-ooperate. And the system runs smoothly up to now. At mas lalo pang dumadami yung investors ngayon at mga nagjo-join kay ITP. Okay? So, again, si ITP, since 2013, isa na siyang ITP corporation. Okay? But maybe there are several projects, not ITP mismo, itong quantization na to, yung nilaunch nila. But they are purely on or about trading. Okay? So this time, I don't know when is the exact date na nilaunch nila yung quantization na to, itong apps na to. But may nakikita akong mga post na someone started 6 months ago. Okay? So, yun pa lang yung nakita ko na pinakamatagal. And guess what? Grabe, million na yung kinikita niya dito sa ITP. Kasi naman, syempre, we all know the advantage of being the first on a certain project. But again, since ITP is very sustainable, okay, and a very strong project, kaya naman hanggang ngayon, kung sakali, pang 6 month na niya, parang ngayon pa lang bumubulusok. And can you imagine millions of investors yung nag-invest or nagtatrust ng pera nila dito kay ITP. So kung i-compare mo yung investment ko sa mga investors from other countries, yung mga team nila, grabe po, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000. Kaya naman kumikita yung mga yon ng like 2,000 a day, 5,000 a day, US dollars guys. Okay? Kaya yung iba talagang nai-inspired sila, nabubuo yung pangarap nila dahil kay ITP. Kasi once you reach, sabi nga nila pag na-reach mo yung G3, dun ka palang, kumbaga, ma-enjoy mo yung daily profit mo. Bakit? So, meron tayong mga certain levels dito, G1, G2, and G3. Ayan, up to G8. So, yung G8 guys, may certain requirements yan bago mo siya kumbaga bago ka mag-qualify. So, per level to guys. So, dito malulula ka kasi bakit? Ang minimum amount para mag-qualify ka sa G8, you need to have 500,000 US dollar capital. Okay? I don't know kung meron nang nasa G8 ngayon, but I'm sure meron na sa G6. Okay? G6 is you need 50,000 capital. Okay? And you will see here, first generation valid members, meron din silang qualification. Okay? Pero madali lang yan, lalo na sa isang builder. Madali lang nilang i-accomplish. Lalo ngayon, ang daming nagjo-join. Okay? Kasi, syempre, alam natin, samantalahin natin na may ganitong opportunity na kaysa natutulog yung pera natin, dito natin ilagay, kikita siya ng 2.5% daily. But again, guys, nothing is 100% guaranteed. So, always apply the rule that only invest what you can afford to lose. The higher the risk, the higher the reward. Okay? Since I am a risk taker, but of course, hindi ako yung sabak ng sabak lang. Pinipili rin natin yung sustainable at yun talagang reliable na projects like ITP. So guys, ayan, I'm done with my quantization. I earned 3.85 dito sa today's earnings. Okay? And makikita mo yung timer. So, there's 4 minutes left. Magre-refresh to. Okay? If aabutan tayo sa video na to, makikita nyo mafu-fulfill ulit yung quantitative times. So, kumbaga magre-restart na ulit yung araw. So, pwede na ulit akong mag-quantize after 4 minutes. Okay? So, let me continue explaining to you guys how this system works. So, actually, nasa G2 na ako. Yan. So, ayan, 500 capital. And sobra na yung first generation valid members ko. 6 na out of 5. Okay? But I came back to G1. Why? Because nag-withdraw ako. Okay, I tried the withdrawals on October 29th and I received my withdrawals in less than 6 hours, guys. Sabi ni ITP, 72 hours processing, maximum waiting time bago mag-reflect yung withdrawals mo sa wallet mo. But in my case, in just 6 hours, less than 6 hours, na-receive ko na siya. So, that's my, you can watch that on my previous video about ITP. So, ayun, at least I have my own proof na talagang working at talagang paying si ITP. So, I know it's paying. There's a lot of proof on YouTube, but gusto ko pa rin may makita on my own experience na nakapag-withdraw ako dito. For the sake of my team, para makita nyo na meron tayong withdrawals. Okay? So, that's how I always do my investment. I make sure na I do my best to get my capital back or my ROI by sharing the platform. Okay? And guys, nothing to worry about if you're not into inviting. Pwede mo namang makuha yung capital mo in less than a month dito through compounding. Okay? Yun yung maganda dito. Meron siyang compounding. So, ibig sabihin ng compounding, katulad nito, meron akong earnings na 3.85. It means, dadagdag na siya sa capital ko. Okay? So, my capital yesterday is not equivalent to my capital today. Bakit? Kasi nag-earn na ako kahapon. Yung earnings na yun madadagdag sa capital ko. So, yung 2.5% ng capital ko kahapon is different from my 2.5% sa capital ko tomorrow. But again, guys, merong mga certain rules si ITP to make this really sustainable. Okay? And for long-term project. So, hindi tayo basta-basta nagko-qualify or kumbaga, para hindi mag-overpay. So, napakatalino talaga ng developer nito. Okay? Kaya naman, nakita ko yung sustainability talaga ng project. So, there are lots of promos na pwede nating samantalahin yun, guys. Like, for example, if you open your app, may magpa-flash dito na promo. So, ito yun, I think every 72 hours, natatapos yung promo niya, pero bumabalik din. So, make sure na aware kayo bago kayo mag-deposit. Abangan nyo na yung panibagong promo niya. Kasi syempre sayang din yung bonus na makukuha mo. And by the way, basahin nyo lang dito kasi yung iba naghahanap ng bonus, pero second deposit na pala nila. So, nakalagay naman dito for first time deposit. And meron din dito na redeposit. So, ibig sabihin, for those of you na nag-deposit ulit, pangalawang deposit mo na. So, make sure na nakuha nyo yung amount na yon, like 500 to 510. Then, may makukuha kang $25 bonus. So, nandito naman lahat yan, guys. Okay? And then, ano pa ba yung kailangan nating i-update dito, guys? So, with regards to withdrawals, ayan. So, based on na-experience ko, okay? So, pag mag-withdraw ka, daily you can withdraw your capital. I mean, not daily, but there's certain requirements. Like, for example, I tried the withdrawal noong October 29. So, I need to wait. So, for example, gusto ko ulit mag-withdraw. Kiklik ko lang itong withdrawals. Okay? And if I try to click the all button, so makikita mo na 154 lang yung pwede kong ma-withdraw. Okay? Kasi siya yung nandun sa flexible fund. Okay? So, my total asset is 187. But, the amount na pwede ko lang ma-withdraw is yung 154. Okay? So, yung nasa flexible fund. Bakit? Meron tayong dalawang klase ng fund dito. Okay? Yung to-release funds at yung flexible fund. Kapag nasa to-release fund siya, ito yung mga amounts na kakapasok lang dito sa system. So, for example, yung quantized earnings natin, yung mga commissions natin, kung meron tayong mga invites, or yung mga rewards na nakuha natin. So, hindi agad-agad mag-a-add yun sa, natin, sa asset or sa flexible fund. So, that's how this system is very sustainable because of those certain rules. So, nakalagay naman siya dito, meron siyang 72-hour fund review mechanism. Okay? So, for example, naka-invite ka, nag-deposit ng $500. So, may makukuha kang like $25 bonus. So, yung $25 na yun, hindi automatic mapupunta sa flexible funds. Nandun siya sa to-release funds, kasama ng mga kinita mo sa pag-quantize mo. Okay? So, hindi mo naman hihintayin ng matagal yan. Within 72 hours lang. Gaya ng sabi ko, yung withdrawals ko, sabi nila within 72 hours. But in 6 hours, na-receive ko na siya. Anyways, makikita mo rin naman yan. For example, sa Quantize, punta ka sa assets. Ayan, makikita mo dito sa ITP wallet, lahat ng history. Ayan, so makikita mo dito yung mga income mo. Okay, so ito yung mga trades. Alright, so bawat trades kasi natin, yan yung capital. Okay, tas kumikita siya ng 0.77. So yun yung mga trades natin, guys. So don't be confused about that. What I want to show you is this. Hold on, let me go ahead on Quantize. I think it's here somewhere. So dito sa asset. Ayan, so dito mo siya makikita, guys. May nakalagay na to release funds. So may clock icon dyan. Click mo siya. And makikita mo na yung timer kung anong oras mo siya marireceive. Okay? So may timer dito, guys. Basta makikita mo dito yan before siya i-release at mapunta sa flexible funds. Okay? Basta explore nyo lang yan, guys. Nandito naman lahat. So, yun lang. Kailangan nasa flexible fund siya bago ka maka-withdraw. So, basically, kung ano yung nasa flexible fund, yun lang yung amount na pwede mong ma-withdraw. Okay? So, yeah, that's how it means, guys. May mga nakalagay naman dito. Pwede nyo na ring basahin yan. Okay? And with regards, again, to withdrawals, okay? So, for example, you want to do a withdrawals, makikita mo naman dito, may nakalagay na certain requirements. Okay? So, asset balance is 154. Pag kinlik mo yan, so 154 yung pwede nating ma-withdraw. Today, kung sakaling gusto ko mag-withdraw, alright? So, again, pag-withdraw, pwede kang daily mag-withdraw after certain hours or 48 hours, I think. As long as meron kang available to withdraw. And of course, be aware na merong 7% fee. Okay? Kung gusto mo ng fee-free withdrawals, yung walang charge, kailangan mo mag-wait ng countdown. So, may nakalagay dito 19 days. Ibig sabihin, nag-reset yung timer ko within 21 days kasi pag hindi ka nag-withdraw, okay, yung 22nd day mo at nag-withdraw ka, walang 7% na fee. So, yung last withdrawal ko, merong 7% na fee kasi 10th day ko pa lang nag-withdraw na ako. Okay? So, yun yung rules sa withdrawals. So, eto, in my case, kapag within 19 days, hindi ako nag-withdraw, which is, yeah, I will do that kasi naka-withdraw naman ako ng capital ko dito. Okay? So, I let the profit ride now. So, dito natin makita talaga yung power ng compounding. So, within 19 days, ayan, yung pang 20th day, pwede akong mag-withdraw, 0 fee yun. Okay? So, it's up to me naman. Kung gusto kong mag-withdraw pa rin at may emergency, then, okay lang. As long as I know na merong 7% withdrawal fee. Okay? Which is, yeah, it's up to us. It's always up to us. Hindi tayo pinipigilan mag-withdraw ni company as long as aware tayo sa requirements. Alright? So, that's it, guys. That's how it works. So, eto na, guys. Just like I've said, ayan, nag-reset na yung timer. So, mapapasin mo, pwede na ulit ako mag-quantize. Okay? So, 5 out of 5 ulit. But, I will choose to wait na ma-release yung other amounts from my to-release funds para lumaki-laki yung capital ng pang-quantize natin. Okay? And then, guys, by the way, dun sa mga balak mag-withdraw, so, make sure, wag muna kayong magko-quantize. Bakit? After you quantize, pupunta lahat yan sa to-release funds. Lahat ng nasa flexible funds, kasama yung na-earn mo, pupunta sa to-release funds. Okay? So, hindi ka na pwedeng mag-withdraw. You need to wait for less than 24 hours or na lumipat siya ulit sa flexible fund. Okay? Kaya, kung gusto mo mag-withdraw, huwag ka munang mag-quantize. Okay? I think natakal ko naman lahat. So, kung meron kayong tanong, comment nyo lang dito sa video, guys. And I will make sure to respond to you ASAP. And please make sure to subscribe on my channel. And also, please, i-like nyo na po yung video. Makakatulong po yan sa channel natin para mag-grow. At dun sa mga iba pa na naghahanap ng opportunity sa online. I appreciate you guys. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. And also, join my Telegram group. Meron tayong mga separate GCs for our projects. So, I'll see you there, guys. Pwede tayong mag-chat sa Telegram. I'm more on Telegram. And also, please follow my Facebook page, Baby Snow Crypto Princess. Nag-upload po ako dun ng mga Tagalog tutorials and updates sa mga projects natin. So, thank you so much again, guys. This is November 1. And, yeah, this is a great start. We still have 2 months to end this year. And make sure your 2 months will be worth it. Okay? 2 months is long enough. Okay? In crypto space, ang 2 months, guys, maraming mangyayari dyan. It depends na lang sa'yo kung takot kang sumubok. So again, I always say this, scared money won't make any money. Alright? So, yeah, that's all today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.